Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 5. Find the area, and we're given a triangle. And the formula for area of a triangle is area equals half of the base times the height. You're always going to write the formula down on your piece of paper first. The problem that we have is, how do we identify what's the base? So if we examine each side and ask ourselves, does it land perfectly on the grid lines? This does not. This does not, but this does. So I'm going to highlight that in red. This lines up perfectly with the grid lines, and we'll be able to count that. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. Let's substitute that underneath the B, and let's bring down the constant, which is a half. Now remember, we're multiplying this stuff together. And let's get the height. So the height has to be perpendicular to the base. So I have this green line here that forms that 90-degree angle. But how do we know how far to go? The answer to the question, how far out does it need to go? You need to find that vertex, which is right here. That's the farthest away from the line you're calling the base. So sometimes what you're going to see is you're going to see the height actually on the outside of the triangle, but it's still perpendicular to the base. So we can put it anywhere we want. We can even put it over here if we want. Doesn't matter where it is. But we need to figure out how many units long that thing is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. Let's substitute that in for the height. All right, so we have a couple options. Option 1 is to do 8 times 5, which would be 40, and then take half of that. Or, since it's so easy to take half of 8, let's do that. Half of 8 would be 4, and 4 times 5 will give you the answer. So look through the answer choices and finish that up.